Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your blower motor on this Ford Fusion right here. So from 2019 go all the way down. Once your car look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure. All right, so let's get into it. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Let's go. All right guys, so over here on the passenger side, I'm on the passenger side. So your blower motor is located right there. Let me get some light on in there. So this is your blower motor right here, guys, and I will show you how to change it. This is where it's located. The reason why I'm changing it is because it's making a ticking sound every time it's on. So if your blower making a ticking sound, I will go ahead and recommend you take it out first. Make sure you don't have any leaves or anything inside, which I did already, and I didn't find anything inside. I even turned the motor on out here and I hear it ticking, so that is the reason why I'm changing it, because of the noise. Alright guys, so the tools we're gonna need is a torque bit, and it's the T25. Link will be in the description for all the tools we use. So let's get down, and we're gonna unplug it by just squeezing this right here and pull down on it. So this is the switch. You want to squeeze right here and pull down on it, and you will unplug as you see, you will unplug the blower motor, because that's what we're trying to take off. Get our torque, our T25 torque, and remove those three. And you guys, you just want to turn counterclockwise to remove the screw. So you want to do it for all three. I'm gonna pause the video and get back, because I don't need to bore you with this, but go ahead and remove all three. Also, if it's your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me grow. And your next car could be, my next car I'm working on could be your next problem you want to fix. And you can also be free to go ahead and check out the rest of the videos that I have on my channel. Alright, once that is removed, you can go ahead and just bring it down, clear this wire right here, and bring it down like this. This would normally be up there, but because I removed it before, I didn't put it back. Alright, so once the wire is out like that, you want to look up inside, make sure there's no leaves on the inside. This one look dirty, so this is your air filter. It look dirty. I'm gonna change that. You can feel around on the inside, make sure there's no leaf or paper get inside, so nothing is there. And let me show you how I check make sure the blower is the one that making the noise. Alright guys, so I have the blower out. What I did, I reconnect the blower. I'm just going to turn the fan speed on low, because I don't want to turn it on high. And I hope you can hear the ticking sound, and that sound is going to be real annoying to you guys. So this is how you get rid of it. You want to go ahead and change the blower motor. Alright guys, so this is the I just laughed to myself, because I know you guys gonna say, you're always saying alright in the comment. But anyway, this is the blower motor, as you can see right here, and your part number is this right here, DG9Z or Z, whichever part of the world you're in. 19805B. So that's the part number. So let's go ahead and get this open up. I might look weird with the knife because it's in my left hand and I'm a righty. I don't use my left hand. So this is what you get in the box. So guys, this is what you get in the box. This is the new blower motor. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. First I'm gonna check it, make sure it's not making any noise. So I connect the new one, turn it on, and it's just spinning without any noise, any ticking sound. So I hope you can hear the difference between those. Alright, so let's shut it off and let's get, but one thing I know, they have a delay when turning it on. Okay, you can see I'm gonna turn it on right here, and then just gotta wait on it. So it's not, that doesn't mean anything is broken. Even the one before this, that's how this system works. It turn on, it have a delay in turning it on. But that said, let's go ahead and put it up. Alright guys, so you see this right here and this part right here on the blower motor, they go together. So the blower motor doesn't go up any way you choose to put it up. It gotta go up in this orientation right here. So just like that. Go ahead and catch your screws. Catch one. Go ahead and catch two. And we're just gonna go ahead and tighten them up. And no guys, you don't need a torque spec for that. Just tighten it up and don't over tighten it. Alright, alright, so that is good. This you can go ahead and put it back in here, even though you didn't see me remove it in the first part of the video because I already take it out. But to remove it, you just gotta hold here, pull down on it like that, and it will come out. Let's go ahead and plug this back in, and we can go ahead and crank the car up and turn the blower on, and the AC should work because the blower is blowing. And that's it for this one guys. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.